There are three kinds of installation methods available. The first one is internet connection. Teachers and students can study using internet connection. They can interact and discuss at any time and any place. The second one is campus network. When they are studying in the classroom, campus network is used to get faster and more stable connection. The last one is class network. It is used when the teacher wants to directly enter the user interface without login and register the students. It is usually used in a seminar or public presentation.